Hello everyone, I am Dr. Chinmay Kharade. I am basically going to talk about dry eye. That is, it's been increasing because of a lot of students are watching online lectures and they need to attend all the school stuff online on screen, digital screens. And most of the parents are asking what all things we should, think about, take care about, and what all things we can do to take good care of our eyes. So there are basically two things. One thing is that there is a cornea, and second is the retina. Cornea is the clear part of the eye which doesn't have any blood supply of its own, so there are no blood vessels available on cornea, so you can see it is a clear part of the eye. And retina is the part on which all the images which cornea forms, it gets formed on the retina, and those images gets processed in the retina, and then it goes back to the brain, and then we get to see what all things we can see. So basically all the digital screens emit blue light from their screens, and those blue lights are very harmful for our retinal part of the eye. Cornea is the clear part of the eye which refracts all the images on the retina, and cornea needs its own nutrition, and all that nutrition it gets, it's from the tears which we form in our eyes through tear glands, because whatever oxygen it needs for its nutrition it gets from the air, and whatever all the nutrients it needs to for its good health it gets from the tears, because there are no blood vessels available on the clear part of the cornea. And blinking is also one of the important parts of that, because after blinking there is a formation of tear film all over the cornea and all over the eye, which is very important for the good health of the cornea. And also the tear film is important in the reflection of the light. So all these things are important, and when we tend to see the screen for longer period of times, we most of the time forget to blink, and once we forget to blink, then there is a dryness of the cornea, and if it gets dry, then all the problem starts to fall. So children needs to understand that whenever they are watching the screens for longer period of times, they need to do one exercise which is called 20-20-20. They need to look at the distance far object for at least 20 seconds, which needs to be at least 20 meters away for 20 seconds every 20 minutes. So this is how the 20-20 rule works. So you need to follow that whenever you are going to tell your child to attend any online lectures, you need to tell that you need to follow this rule. And again, you have to lubricate your eye periodically. If you are going to be online for longer period of times, then you will get some eye drops which are called lubricants, which has lubricating content in it, which will keep your eyes moist for longer period of time. So you can get those, and you can visit your nearby ophthalmologist, and he will prescribe those eye drops for you. So these are the two things which you need to follow, is that you need to follow the rule of 20-20-20, and you need to follow the regimen of eye drops. So these are the two things which I need to tell you today. And again, for retinal part, the blue rays which gets emitted from the screen, you can use blue block glasses. Those are called computer glasses as well. You can get those in any optician nearby you or online also. So you need to buy those and use good quality one, because a lot of them have some kind of number in them, so it might hamper your refraction or refractive error as well. If your child has already myopia or something like that, then try to use the glasses which prescribed by the optician and which has blue block in it. So yes, so three things you have to do. You have to use blue block glasses, you have to use lubricants, that is lubricating drops, and you have to follow the rule of 20-20-20. So that's it for today. Anything more I need to tell you regarding dry eye, I will come up with again in another video. So right now, signing off. Bye bye.